Okay, folks, in this video lesson, we're looking at coordinate geometry, specifically equations of straight lines. Okay, so the line AB has equation 5x plus 3y plus 3 equals 0. The line AB is parallel to the line with equation y equals mx plus 7. Find the value of m. So lines that are parallel are lines that never meet. So think of like train tracks. Okay, that is mostly a common example. Okay, and also they have the same gradient. So m1 equals m2 or m equals m. Okay, they have the same gradient. So our job is to rearrange line AB or equation AB into the form y equals mx plus c. M, which is the coefficient of x, so the number from the x, okay, once I rearrange it, okay, that tells me how steep the line is, i.e. our gradient, okay, or gradient function, and then c is our y-intercept. So I'm going to subtract 5x and 3 on both sides, okay, getting 3y is equal to minus 5x minus 3. Then I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by 3, so we get y equals minus 5 over 3x. Minus 3 over 3 makes minus 1. So the gradient of AB is going to be minus 5/3. So therefore, the line that is parallel to AB, so the value of m is going to be minus 5 over 3, or minus 5/3, or negative 5/3. Okay, that's the first part done, okay, for 2 marks. Okay, next up, the line AB intersects the line with equation 3x minus 2y plus 17 at the point B. Find the coordinates of B. So whenever two lines are intersecting, okay, the x and y values are the same. Okay, so we are essentially solving, okay, simultaneous equations, okay, yeah, obviously algebraically. So where they intersect here, where they meet, okay, that is just, you know, like a made up example, okay, that is where the two lines obviously intersect here, or where they meet, or where they cross each other. That means the x and y value is the same, okay, for both equations. So I'm going to solve them simultaneously. So I'm going to rewrite this top one as 5x. Actually, rather than do it by elimination here, I'm going to actually sub in here. So yes, this is going to be a bit more trickier. So I'm going to substitute in y equals minus 5/3 x minus 1 into this equation. So I'm going to call this equation 2, and my top one equation 1. So we're going to have 3x minus 2 lots of minus 5/3 x minus 1, close the brackets, plus 17 is equal to 0. And I'm going to expand the bracket, okay, so distribute it, okay, we're going to have 3x minus 2 times minus 5/3 is plus 10/3, or 10 over 3, lots of x, minus 2 times minus 1 makes plus 2, plus 17 is equal to 0. So collecting like terms, so 3x, okay, I can write that as a fraction over 3. That'll be 9x thirds. Okay, so 9 over 3 lots of x. Because 9 divided by 3 is just 3. Okay, I can now collect, yeah, obviously my fractions together. So I'm going to have 19 over 3, or 19 thirds x, plus 19, okay, is equal to 0. Solve the equation, okay, so subtract 19 on both sides, so we get 19 thirds x, okay, is equal to minus 19, or negative 19, okay, times up by 3 and then divided by 19, so we're going to get minus 19 multiplied by 3/19, okay, well, minus 19 divided by 19 is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. So the x coordinate of point B is going to be minus 3. Okay, next up, okay, I can sub it into equation 1, equation 2 to work out what the y value is. Okay, again, let me sub it in here into this one here, which labels 1. So we're going to have y is equal to minus 5 over 3, or minus 5 thirds, times minus 3, okay, minus 1. That would be what? Plus 15 thirds, which is going to be 5. Take away 1 is just 4. So minus 3, 4 is our answer, and that is point B. Okay, so where the two lines intersect or cross here, you are solving the equations simultaneously, okay, because that is the graphical representation, okay. So where they cross, the x and y value are going to be the same, so you solve them simultaneously. Okay, final part, guys, of the video. The point with coordinates 2k plus 3, 4 minus 3k lies on the line AB. Find the value of k. So we know what x is, okay, because that's our x coordinate. We know our y coordinate. Okay, we substitute into this equation here, so the top equation. Okay, so we have 5 lots of 2k plus 3, okay, plus 3 lots of 4 minus 3k, brackets closed, plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, expand the sets here of single brackets. So 5 times 2x, 5 times plus 3, that will be 10x plus 9. Then I've got plus 3 times 4 is plus 12. And plus 3 times minus 3k is minus 9k. And then copy down the plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, collect like terms. 10k minus 9k is 1k or k. 9 plus 12 is 21, plus the 3 makes 24. So we have k plus 24, or k at 24 is equal to 0. Subtract 24 on both sides, we get that k is equal to minus 24. So k is equal to minus 24, or k is equal to negative 24, okay, is our answer to this problem. So k equals minus 24 is our answer for that part, okay? So in total here we've got 2, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 marks from a Core 1 old spec AQA AS level maths, okay, revising and revisiting, okay, equations of straight lines, so parallel lines, solving equations here simultaneously, and then substitution and rearranging. So yeah, a bit of algebra involved there, but hopefully that was helpful. Again, any questions here, any queries here, put it in the comments below. Okay, I'll try to respond here within like a 24 to 48 hour window, as I always do. But yeah, if you have found it useful, guys, yeah, please hit that subscribe button on our YouTube. Okay, we're nearly at actually 1k on my second channel, so thank you so much for that. Okay, and please, please, please keep following us on TikTok. Okay, keep liking, keep reposting, keep sharing. Okay, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.